everybody, this is Robin. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am a full-time eBay reseller. I also sell on Mercari, Facebook Marketplace, and Poshmark. And welcome to all you new potential subscribers. Thank you for coming by and watching my unboxing. And to all my regular subscribers, thank you for coming back and watching another unboxing. This is an unboxing of a Wholesale Ninja No Makeup HBA box. It's 200 items. I paid $438.16, and that's with a $25 off coupon. So that's pretty good. And so that averages out about $2 and some odd cents per piece in this box. So I'm hoping I have some really good sellable stuff and not so much medicine. I don't want the medicine. So let's get down here so you can see what's in the box and see what we got. Surprise, surprise. And I also have two more boxes coming from other companies that I'm trying out. They are general merchandise boxes, so fingers crossed there's some nice sellable stuff in there. So let's get into this unboxing, why don't we? Okay, here we go. Hope y'all can see into the box, because I know how you guys like to see what's in the box and what I'm getting. And I cannot wait. It was heavy. It took everything I had to get this up here. I should have had my husband put it up on this thing, because I didn't think it was that heavy when I brought it into the house. Oh, was I surprised. It was heavy. So let's see what we get, y'all. Paper. That's what we got. We got some brown paper. Okay. Can y'all see? Or do I need to zoom down in here? I think you guys can see. Where to start? Where to start? Looks like some good stuff. Except, toothbrushes. This is a Colgate bamboo charcoal brush. This is the first time I got one of these. Maybe I didn't get more. And we got a Barbie electric brush. Barbie electric brush. Oh, another one. So there's two. There's two of them. So that's nice. Haven't gotten toothbrushes in a while. We got some Gillette Daisy 3 disposable razors. That's good. And oh, I like these. I don't know. I might keep these myself because I like this razor. This is a nice razor. I love this razor. I got the blades, but I think I just bought some, so I won't need these. Anyway, Beard Balm, the Beard Guys. That's something new. I haven't gotten this before. What is this? This is Elizabeth Arden's. I really need a light in here. I don't like putting on my husband's over his pool table light because it kind of washes me out. But let me go turn on the light. Hold on, peeps. I don't have to go very far. There we go. Is it better? I know it'll be better for me to see. Okay, green tea. Oh, it's conditioner. These are conditioners with green tea. That's a new item that I haven't gotten before, in all honesty. go. Okay, here's a headband. Oh, it's a scrunchie that holds your mask on with these buttons. That's good, huh? I'll try and sell that. Here's a kids Frozen 2 hairband, face mask, whatever. Well, here's some more chapstick. 4 chapsticks. And of course a bunch of face masks. We got oh, this is a post-shave mask, I guess, for men. Yes, it is. It's for men. That's different. Oh, we got quite a few of them for men. That's a good deal. Because I don't have any for men. Here's an aftershave. Oh, I got 2 aftershaves. And so far 3 post-shave masks. Nice. Haven't gotten none of those. And rose gold foil peel-off masks. Those look interesting. And another Yes paper mask. Oh, and some runaway mirrors unattached. That's what I got in my last box. Unattached mirrors. And we got some Ivory deodorant, gentle deodorant. And it looks like a hint of lavender. Oh, and here's another Secret Spring Breeze deodorant. I haven't gotten deodorant in a while. Oral-B Nighttime Dental Guard. One size fits all. The box is kind of ripped on the back, but that's not too bad. I can do an open box on that. I wouldn't think anybody. I'll have to inspect it. I'll have to look at it really good. I got one of those. Ooh, a big claw hair thing. All day hold. No slip grip. Got a brush. Haven't gotten a brush in a long time. Conair Insta Comfort. It's scalp care for healthy hair. Yep. That's nice. Oh, Bevel Skin. Oh, this has got to be good. Exfoliating toner. That's got to be a good one. I hope this is a good one. Oh, here's another one. Got 2. Hope these are a good seller. Wow, I like that. I think I've heard of that Bevel. I think it is a good one. I got an Olay Body Milk, 48-hour hydration, fragrance free. I guess it's for your face. No, it's for your body. Body milk. Body milk, right back here. That's different. Oh, here's some more deodorants for men. Mitchum. And another Old Spice. Maybe I can lot this up with the other Old Spice. I don't know. But that's pretty good. Some more of this here Flonase. Yeah, more Flonase. I'll put that over there. Visine. Now, I had Visine one time and it sold really well. I sold it real pretty fast. It's for dry eye relief. One is dry eye relief, one is dry eye relief, tired eye. I think I can do okay with putting these online or in my store. I don't think those will not that matter. Listerine Ready tabs for fresh breath. We all gotta have that there fresh breath, you know, don't we? Oh, here it is. Ear Itch MD Nighttime. That's different. Oh, and I drop it. This is what it looks like on the back. And I'll get that other one later. Oh, here's some more of the beard, guys. What is this? So I like to talk in an accent sometimes. Exfoliating body polish. Crushed lavender and coconut milk. Now these heavy things, I'm gonna start adding shipping to these things because they weigh over a pound. Ooh, here's some more of that Bevel stuff, face wash. Hope I have another one in here. Ooh, I think I got a lot of this Bevel stuff in here. Good deal, I hope. L'Oreal Men Expert Daily Moisture for 3-day beards. I haven't gotten that one before. Some toothpaste. Smile Direct Club Whitening. Premium toothpaste. And I've never heard of it. And I've never heard of this one here either. Oh, this is hair. I thought this was toothpaste. It's Grooming Clean Greaseless Hair Control. I got 3 of those. That's different. Let's see, what is this? It's a bath bomb by Crayola. And here is another Yes face wipes. It's watermelon, light, something or other. Then what do we have here? Oh, Pond's. Visibly reduces the look of wrinkles and slows new signs of aging. Oh, this is an eye cream. And I got a Neutrogena Rapid Tone Repair Dark Spot Corrector. And what is this? Work Harder, Smell Better. Sawtooth by Buchanan. Oh, it's a cologne. It's a cologne. And, yep, oh, it's not sealed. There we go. I gotta smell it. Ooh, I gotta hide that from my husband. He likes cologne, loves cologne. Oh, here's another one. This is Work Harder, Smell Better. Huron, that's the brand, that's the smell of that one. And this is Sawtooth. Yeah, jeez. I don't want this stuff. It's still good in date. I might put this in some of my medicines. I have another YouTube, or not YouTube. I have another eBay place. It's not a store. It's just the free one that I'm putting my medicines over in because it automatically does not allow you to sell out of the country. So, okay, that's where I've been putting my medicines so I can at least get some of my money back. A lot of my medicines I had to get rid of before was already getting ready to expire, so it didn't bother me too much. We have a Simple Sensitive Skin Makeup Remover Pads. These are a little different than the other ones we've gotten. What is this? This is Cremo. Let me find a spot. Oh, there's all kinds of stuff in here. There's Bulldog Skincare for Men Moisturizer. There's that one. Another Bulldog. Then we have this blue one. If I can get it to where I can read it. This is a cooling shave cream by Cremo. Then they have a red one. It's just another shave cream. There's the red one, and I'm going to turn this blue one around. There we go. So there's a few different things, mostly the Bulldog and 2 of those other ones. And we got some cleansing towelettes, fragrance-free makeup remover towelettes by Up and Up. So this is a Target brand. Target brand. I got quite a few of these. Yes, we do. That's 3. Oh, here's a double pack. Double pack. So it's 3, 4. I got 6. Let's see. Jolene Cream Bleach lightens dark hair. Y'all can see. This is the stuff that's in there. That's different. What is this? Micellar Cleansing Echo Pads by Garnier. Okay. Be nice if I'd have more of that. What is this? Oh, Excedrin Tension Headaches. Ooh, I might have to keep this for myself. Still in good date, July 23. That over there in my medicine pile. Well, we got some Pond's Rejuvenous Advanced Hydration Night Cream. Listerine Ready Tabs for your fresh breath. Maybe I can put that with the other Listerine stuff. Oh, some Pixie Skin Treats Rose Oil Blend. And here is Olay Pitaya and Cranberry Seed Exfoliating Face and Body Powder. Oh, there's a powder in there. I make a mess with powder. I don't use powder anymore. I get it everywhere. Okay, here's some more of that Bevel stuff. This is a Restoring Balm. Bevel Shave System. I hope this stuff is some good selling stuff. Here's some Bevel Beard Balm. Got 2 of those. Wonder if this is a man brand. Oh, look, here's some Old Spice body spray. That's new. I did really good in my other box. My other box, I sold quite a bit out of my other box. Let's see. This is Skincare Acne Control Serum. And this is All Day Serum. Protects against skin damaging elements and UV. I guess this is a skincare thing. It's travel size. I think it's for men. I think these are for men, but they're travel size. And here's some Club Men. Finest powder. Not sure what you do with it, but it might be for men. Oh, here is that thing that's not cocoa. It's watermelon by Burt's Bees. And here is a Goody Gumdrops sanitizer and lip balm. I'm not sure, but anyhow, that's what that looks like. Here's the lip balm and the sanitizer. We'll see if that's expired. Oh, we got more. We got the My Little Ponies. We got Oh, what is her name? She's very annoying. Yeah, I forget her name. I forget her pink name, but she's very annoying on this show. And here's this one. I forget their names. My granddaughter is 16 now, and I used to watch My Little Pony with her all the time when she was little. I miss that little bugger. She's not so little anymore though. Now, and here's some for men. Little boys. Power Rangers. Here's a little lip men. Hemp therapy. It's like a little lip balm. I could put that. I'm thinking about lotting some things together. I'm getting some ideas here. This is a little Tonka gift set. It's got the hand sanitizer, hand soap, and lip balm. I think I got another couple of these. These probably won't sell for much. I've seen other people getting them in their boxes. And here's a Candyland. And here's another Transformers. Cheesy Peasy. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. Here's a Play-Doh. And here's another Goody Goody Gumdrops. Now I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. Wow. Well, I got another one of them Olay powders. Another one of these here men's cologne. This is Grant. So I have 3 different scents. Here is another Yes face wipes. I'm not sure if that's the same as the other. And we got some Colgate Advanced Whitening toothpaste. Got 1, I got 2. Yeah, I got 2. So I'll probably sell those together. Well, here we got another little boy's hand sanitizer and lip balm, a Tonka. And some more of this Pixie plus C Vit, whatever, brightening perfector. So I got 2 of those. Let's see, some more Crayola hand sanitizer. These must be like little towelettes, little things you can put in your kids' lunch boxes or backpacks so they can sanitize their hands. There's 15 packets. That's pretty good. I might give that to my grandson to give to my daughter. Can put it in his little lunch box or whatever, and he can sanitize his hands after school and lunch and stuff. But here's some more of that powder for men, I suppose. Glee, the shave gel. That's different. I haven't gotten this before. Here is some more Glee shave mousse. Some more deodorant, Ivory Gentle deodorant. I can sell the other one with this one and sell it as a lot. Okay, what is this? Oh, some more of that Bevel Skin Exfoliating Toner. I'll find out if this is for men or women. It's for men. It's a men's collection. Here's some more Pixie Rose Oil Blend. So I got 2 of those. What is this? Renew Life Wellness Basic Care Probiotic. Take 1 daily. 6/21, so it's almost expired in June. Put that over there in my medicine pile. Some Secret Essential Oils, Rose and Charcoal deodorant. Kind of dusty. At least it looked it. Got quite a bit of deodorant. We got some soap here. Dove Men Plus Care. That's good for men. This stuff smells really good. Oh boy, the Crayola. What is this? Detox Shea Butter Soap. Okay. Ooh, you can smell the minty kind of stuff in here. Oh yeah, it's mint and ginger. Wonder how good that'll sell. Never gotten that one. There's some more of them Crayola wipes. Hand sanitizer wipes. So that makes 3. Well, some more of this here Bevel Skin Exfoliating Toner and Restoration Balm. Hope y'all like this video with, you guys being able to see down in the box. This is Zarbee's Natural Immune Support Plus Vitamin C Drink Mix. And it's good till 6/20/22. Yeah, right there. Put that over there in my medicine pile. Oh, we got some more of that shea butter. I mean, shea moisture butter. I can't speak. Shea Moisture Detox Shea Butter Soap. So I got like 5 bars. 5 bars. All right. Oh, got another one here, a different one. This is Calm and Comfort Bar. That's a different one. No, don't smell too bad. That's got cannabis sativa hemp seed oil calm and comfort soap. Whew, that smells good. And here's some more of these travel size acne control serum things. So I got 3 of this kind and 1 of the other. And I'm running out of space over here in my little tubs. But that's, oh God, I can't get rid of this. There's some more of that dry shampoo. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I'm just gonna put it over here with the rest of it. There's another Harry's razor set. What is this? +1. What is this? Air pulsing arouser? +1, invite a little pleasure. Well, I think we know what this is. Oh yeah. Okay, I hope that sells. Anyhow, here we go. Cetaphil Pro Derma Control Purifying Clay Mask. There's another one. Hope those sell good. There's some more Dove soap. Mango butter. Might end up just keeping this myself. I can't seem to sell that. There's some more of that Glee shave gel. And Pure by Gillette Soothing Shave Gel with aloe. Alcohol free from sulfates, parabens, dyes, and alcohol. And we have some Venus with Olay shaving cream. Okay. some more of this Colgate Total. Is that the same as the other stuff? I can't find where I put it. Anyhow, hopefully this is another one that I can go with that other soap. I mean, toothpaste I have. I can't find it anywhere. And then here we have some active charcoal fluoride-free toothpaste. What is this? Oh, it's one of them Braun Silk Epi 3. It's where it pulls your hair out. I have one. I use it. I like it. Yep. This should be a pretty good seller, I hope. Oh, let's see. I think I know what this little box is. I think it's some more that they're Yes to Restoring Body Balm. Maybe it's a... No, it's coconut, so it has to be the same as what I've already got listed. So all I have to do is just add to my listing. Yep, it's the same stuff. Yep, same stuff I already have listed, so I'll just add this to my listing. Got another pack inside here. And we got our big boxes here. Oh boy. Can y'all still see in here? Let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh, these things are heavy. I'm trying to move it over so y'all can see inside the box. Okay. Now you guys can see. I know, you know, some people that do videos, they don't show what's in your boxes. And then when they hold the items up, they don't hold them up for very long. So you can see what you're, you know, what they got. Okay. Darn it. Anyhow, I got some Gillette Venus Olay Shower and Shave shave cream when you shave in the shower. Some more of that Gillette Pure Soothing Shaving stuff. Only this is in a tube. Got 2 of those. I'm just going to stick these down here for now. Shave butter. Oh, some more of that hemp body scrub. And when I'm done going through here, I'll just put that stuff back in here. Some hand sanitizer that I probably won't be able to sell on eBay, so just keep it for myself, probably. Some more of this I already have listed. I'll just add to my quantity that I have. Let's see, what is this? I think I got one of these samples that's over there. Just throw it over. Okay. I can just add this to my listing. This is J.R. Watkins Foaming Hand Wash. I already have that listed, so I just have to add that. And I think I've got this one here too, is Cucumber and Green Tea Dove Instant Foaming Body Wash. I think I already have this one listed, I'm not sure, but if I don't, I'll make a new listing. Oh my goodness, what is this? Thick, high velocity body wash. Smells like productivity. Oh, smells kind of minty. Didn't have a seal on it. I got some more of this Olay body conditioner refills. And let's see. And Irish Spring. This is kind of sticky. Sage and Cedar body wash. Oh, got another one of those Cetaphil little travel things. Some more Old Spice. Oh, this is dented in on the side. I sell it, I have to show them it's dented. And some more of the Olay Cleansing Infusion Body Wash. I think I have this listed, so I'll have to just add that. I think this is new. I don't think I have any of this listed, so this has to be wiped off. Purifying, Detoxing, Deep Cleanse Body Wash. And another one of those Olay Fresh Outlast body wash. I don't think I have this one listed. That I'll make a new listing for. Okay, let me put this stuff back in here. And I will move the box out of the way so that we can see what's in the other box. Probably the same kind of stuff. That's usually how it works, y'all. Move this out of the way. Oh my goodness. Okay. Our last little box. Yeah, it looks like some of the same stuff. I think there's a few different things. Here's a L'Oreal Men Expert Extreme Cleanser infused with charcoal. And some more of that pure Gillette stuff. The Pixie Collagen Tonic. Some more of this Venus shower shampoo, shave, whatever. And some Crayola hand sanitizer stuff that I won't be able to sell. Self-heating shave cream. Oh, here's more of that sanitizer. And some more of that thick body wash. Let's see. Some more of the Olay. Probiotic moisturizing hand soap. I'll just add that to what I've already got listed. And some more of this. I'll add that Dove stuff to my listing. And some more of these Olay refills of body conditioner. So I have 4 more of these, so I add that to my listing. Another different Irish Spring body wash. And another Old Spice body wash. And another Cetaphil. Another little sample of some kind of glossing stuff. Throw that over there. This is kind of gross. I don't know what was on it that was nasty, but it's the Infusion body wash. Let me put it this way so y'all can see it's kind of got something on it. I don't know what. And some more of that Dove stuff, body wash. Got a lot of body wash. And some more of that Olay body wash. And that's it in that box. So, that is everything, everybody. I do hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And I hope you are looking forward to my other unboxings from some of these other companies that I'm trying out. Yeah, that's it. So, let me get up. So that was everything that I got in my 200-piece item, no makeup. Bought my 200-piece item from Wholesale Ninja. I'm a little crooked here. Oh well. Y'all don't mind. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed my unboxing. Here's my loot over here. I put in these old tubs and stuff. And down here, I don't know if y'all can see that. But anyhow, hope you guys enjoyed it. I made sure that you guys could look down in the box and see everything that I got. And let me know if you enjoyed this way of me unboxing, because then I'll do that with all my unboxings. If you have any questions or any suggestions or anything, please leave them down in a comment. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you can be notified when I come on here again. It's going to be a little while before I get some of my other boxes in, probably next week, and I can't wait. I got a few more things I want to order for some more unboxings, but I'm hoping that a lot of this stuff will sell like my last box, except for that body wash. Can't seem to get rid of that body wash. I got a bunch of it over here on my shelves. I don't know. The body wash, the conditioners. Oh, I don't want to make this too long. I could go on and on and on. Anyway, I know you guys got, you know, other things on your mind and other things you're doing, and I know you guys like to enjoy these kind of videos, so I'm trying to find things other than the health and beauty to do so I can make more of the cha-ching. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you for watching the unboxing. I hope you all stayed to the end. I really appreciate it. Please remember to subscribe. I need to build up my subscribers, and hitting the like button or the thumbs up button really helps my videos to be noticed. And so I appreciate that if you would do that. And if you're new and watching, please hit the subscribe button and the bell button so you'll be notified when I'm back up in here again. And for all my regulars, thank you for watching. All my new people, thank you for watching. And I will catch you on the next video. Thank you and have a great and fantastic rest of your day. Bye-bye.